Huh? You have to remember, see, we go deep. How many words, Sister Fatima? 2. Tell me what are they? One is harf jar. Harf jar. And the next one is ya mutakallim. What will you say? Yeah, get used to ya mutakallim. What is ya mutakallim? Pronoun. What is ya mutakallim? Pronoun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Is it clear? Fatima, inshallah. Sister Faiza, inshallah. Sister Maimuna, is it clear, inshallah? Where is Aisha? Okay. I hope you are showing her, inshallah. Okay. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So this is, you can look into your handout, page 11. Now I go to something else, brothers and sisters. I have to now take you somewhere else. Muhammadin. Kitabu Muhammadin. And then I put fi here. What will happen now? Fi kitabi Muhammadin. Fi kitabi Muhammadin. What is fi? Harf jar. What is kitabi? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf. And then mudaf ilayh. Fine, brother. Now I am doing something else. Kitabu hu. Now I say fi. Or you can put any preposition. Any preposition will do the same thing that fi will do. What is fi, brother, here doing? Fi kitabi hi. See, it changed. So fi made the kitab majroor, kitabi, and hu is still a damir. It is mudaf ilayhi. But for the sake of pronouncing nicely, we change into kitabihi. No change because of grammar. It is just phonetics, brother. How will you analyze, brother? Fi, harf jar, kitabi, ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and hu and he mudaf ilayh. You got the idea, Sister Fatima? Again I say, what is fi? Harf jar. What is kitabi? Ism majroor. Wa huwa mudaf. And where is mudaf ilayhi? He. Because it is a pronoun. Sahi? It is a pronoun. Okay, very good. Now, I say to you, what is this, brother? Indahu. What is inda? Zarf. What is who? Mudaf ilayhi. Inda is zarf. And what is who? Mudaf ilayhi. Now watch what I am doing. Min. From. What will happen? Min. Indi. See? Your mind will, inshallah, become used to it. Min indihi. It's in the Quran. Min indihi. Min. And then it will become indi. And then will change into. Okay. But if I say indaha and put min, let me write it down. Indaha. Now, I put min here. Indiha. Ha doesn't change. Remember? Min indiha. Because the changes were only in file, not in ha. And these are damir ghaib. These are third person pronouns. The changes come in third person pronouns, but only in 5. It doesn't affect ha. We can pronounce ha with a kasra before it, or dhamma before it, or fatha before it. There is no problem. So you will say min indi ha. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? No? What is this? Tahtahu. What is tahta? Under him. What is tahta? Under him. What is the grammatical value of this? Tahta zarf. And who is? Mudaf ilayhi. Mudaf ilayhi. Fine. Now I put min. What will happen, brother? Min tahtihi. Min tahtihi. Got the idea? Are you with me? Min tahtihi. Now I write down tahtaha. Now I put min again. What will happen now? Min tahti. Min tahti. Jannatin tajri min tahtiha anhar. See, all the time you know, but we never thought what's happening. See? Jara yajri. This is verb we will study in book 2. Tajri min tahtiha al-anharu. Are you with me? So min made tahta into tahti. Because this is a noun. Zarf or noun. Are you with me, brother? Is it clear? So now, if I say to you, now I think I explained you. This is what I meant to explain you. Inshallah, it will become very clear. Are you comfortable now, brothers and sisters? We had a good revision. Okay? And now we go to the main lesson. But again, there are 2 nouns we are being introduced by Dr. Abdul Rahim. Now, there are 5 nouns in Arabic language. Brothers and sisters, are you listening to me? When they become mudaf, their spelling rules are different. When they become mudaf, their spelling rules are different. 5 of them. Now, we are going to learn slowly. So Dr. Abdul Rahim is introducing 2 of them. Okay, and I will explain you because it is in the lesson. So I will try to, inshallah, explain you better.